juggling endless tasks, keeping track of deadlines, and collaborating with your team. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. You scramble to find that crucial document buried under a mountain of virtual conversations, and by the time you unearth it, the information might already be outdated. Sound familiar? If you're using Microsoft Teams for project management, you're not alone. Teams is a fantastic communication tool, but when it comes to keeping projects organized and on track, there's a better option out there: Asana. Now, before the die-hard Teams fans storm the comments section, let me explain. This isn't about bashing Teams. It excels at what it's designed for, fostering real-time communication and collaboration within teams. But project management, not quite its forte. Here's why Asana might be the project management lifesaver you've been searching for. Number 1. Laser focus on organization. Teams is a communication hub, buzzing with activity. While that's great for staying connected, it can quickly become cluttered and chaotic. Asana, on the other hand, is built with organization in mind. It provides a clean, structured interface where you can create clear project roadmaps, break down tasks into manageable chunks, and assign them to specific team members. Think of it like this. Teams is your bustling office kitchen, full of conversations and coffee breaks. Asana is your organized workspace, equipped with whiteboards, sticky notes, and clear deadlines, a haven of productivity. Number 2. Visualize your workflow. Asana offers a variety of views to visualize your workflow. Need a quick overview of upcoming deadlines? The calendar view has you covered. Want to see how tasks connect and depend on each other? The board view provides a bird's-eye perspective. This flexibility allows you to tailor your project management style to your team's needs. Imagine Teams as a linear to-do list, a string of tasks with no clear connection or context. Asana, with its different views, is like a mind map, allowing you to see the bigger picture and how individual tasks contribute to the overall project goal. Number 3. Effortless collaboration. Collaboration is key to any successful project. Asana shines in this area, allowing team members to easily comment on tasks, share files, and track progress updates right within the platform. No more digging through endless email threads or searching for that elusive document shared in a chat a week ago. Teams, while facilitating communication, doesn't offer the same level of project-specific collaboration tools. Discussions can get lost in the general chat, and important files might get buried under a mountain of messages. Number 4. Prioritization powerhouse. Deadlines are inevitable, but meeting them all can feel like an uphill battle. Asana equips you with powerful prioritization tools, allowing you to mark tasks as urgent, high priority, or standard. This helps you and your team focus on what needs immediate attention and ensures deadlines for critical tasks are met. Think of Teams as a giant whiteboard with a jumbled mess of tasks. Asana, with its prioritization features, is like that same whiteboard, but color-coded and organized, with the most important tasks clearly highlighted. Number 5. Designed for project management. Let's face it, Teams is a multi-purpose tool, meant for various communication needs. Asana, however, focuses solely on project management. This singular focus translates to a platform packed with features specifically designed to streamline project workflows. From custom fields and automated workflows to time tracking and reporting, Asana provides all the tools you need to keep your projects on track. Imagine Teams as a Swiss Army knife, versatile, but not necessarily the best tool for every job. Asana is like a specialized power drill, perfect for driving screws and getting the project done efficiently. Finding the right fit. Is Asana a perfect fit for everyone? Not necessarily. If your team relies heavily on real-time chat and video conferencing, Teams might still be a valuable tool. However, if you're struggling with project organization, communication breakdowns, and missed deadlines, Asana could be your project management game changer. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and workflow. But hopefully, this breakdown has shed some light on why Asana excels in the project management arena. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,